So here's a quick tip based on something that I just noticed when I was shooting a previous video. The screen, and I've seen this before, and that's why I know what the fix is, but the screen on something like this recorder, this little LED or LCD screen, as you can see, is flickering, right? So sometimes you go into rooms where the light is flickering. That light back there might be having this same sort of weird strobe effect where you see it flickering. How do you fix that? It's pretty simple on a DSLR. It's actually really simple. Watch what happens when I change the shutter speed. Now I will say I'm shooting at what is typically best practice right now. I'm shooting 1920 by 1080 at 24 frames a second, so that the 180-degree shutter rule dictates that my shutter speed is 2 times the frame rate. In this case, it would be 1/50th of a second. For a DSLR, that's as close as you get to 1/48th. So double the frame rate. I have another video on that, but I'm shooting at 1/50th of a second, which is what you would have it at normally, and then you see something like that. And if I simply bump it, let's go to 40, and there you go. It's cleared it up there. That's the key. That's it. Simple fix for flickering lights. That's all you have to do. Change your shutter until it's not flickering. See you next time.